Oh.
I thought he was going to hit somebody.
That look, well, that look of stress on his face.
Yeah. You're chicken. You're chicken. You're like not
I
like.
want to go with Chris.
Want me to go down with you?
Yeah.
Come.
Oh, yeah.
How was it?
That was awesome.
You looked a little apprehensive right here.
I'm going again.
All right.
I've done this with the Ostermeckies.
Okay. Mom and Hannah are up there.
With Mom?
Yep. Hannah's a little nervous too.
Am I bleeding?
Nope.
Okay, good.